Welcome to TurboSite channel. This video will give you an overview of the WebUI for Kylone Transcoding Edition. We won't go over system settings, DVB management, or TS acquisition again, since these parts have already been introduced in the Kylone Streaming Edition video. Kylone supports video transcoding using either Intel QuickSync or NVIDIA NVENC GPU. Please note, these two versions come with different pricing. After login Kylone, navigate to Live Streams. Post-processing page, we can see all the default transcoding profiles here. Profiles with the IG label are used for QuickSync, and the rest are for NVIDIA GPUs. Let's use an IG profile to process an HTTP stream as a test. In Status section, we can view the usage details. Go to Stream URLs page, we can view the output stream. In the Live Streams section under Settings, we can configure the output protocols for the streams. To remux the MPTS stream, please go to MPTS multiplexing page. For detailed step-by-step guidance on the Kylone Transcoding Edition, subscribe to our channel and check out the tutorial video on the TBS 8510 transcoder. Thank you.